What's going on, everyone? Mike with Digital Playbook here, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with AI and ChatGPT. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be walking you through a step-by-step process that I'm using in my own company to automatically schedule out videos that I don't have to edit or create. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to give you this full checklist with all these types of videos. You get a checklist that tells you what to do, start from finish, how to create a simple funnel, setting up different accounts. You also get a simplified checklist that kind of takes you through step 1, 2, all the way through. You'll get different prompts to use for ChatGPT, all the ones I use. You'll get a list of over 130 plus AI tools you can get paid to promote, and then a bunch of done for you emails, and then a bunch of done for you short form content you can start posting on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, what else? Instagram Reels. Now, if you want me to keep you updated with all this kind of free stuff that I'm going to be doing, and you want me to give you more stuff like this, just go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know that you're taking action. It helps me make more videos like this in the future, and it helps videos get more reach. So please just take a second. But now let's go ahead and dive into the spreadsheet and show you how to get started. So first thing I want to do is just go to Digital Playbook, boom, grab your free checklist, and then it will take you to, boom, the Digital Playbook. Now, like I said, this is the more in-depth part of the checklist that kind of tells you everything, how to get set up everything. I would suggest starting here. And the first thing that you should do, or I recommend, is go ahead and grabbing this tool called GoHighLevel. This is kind of like it says, an all-in-one platform, marketing. But what I use this for is I use this for a scheduling tool to schedule out all my short form content. I use this for my email and text messaging software. And then I also use it for my websites and funnels. So once you go ahead and sign up for the 14-day free trial, you'll get taken to this screen right here, which is your launchpad or dashboard. You don't really need to do anything right here. Like I said, the three main things we're going to be talking about is marketing, automations, and sites. So if we go back to the checklist, once you download or you get the free trial or GoHighLevel, more than happy to schedule a kickoff call with me. This is where I will help you set up everything, help you get started, make sure all your emails, funnels, scheduling tool is all working. But if you want to do that yourself, more than happy to. There's a free course that I put together with about 30, like 5 to 7 minute videos that kind of takes you through everything, how to get started if you are more of a self-reliant person. Now, depending on which one you're going to do, step 4 is something that you're going to need to do no matter what. And that is going to be importing a snapshot. And what a snapshot is it's going to allow you to take all the systems that I have and import them directly into your systems. So you'll have all the emails, you'll have all the funnels, all the custom values, tags, everything that I'm using, you're going to have that directly imported into your GoHighLevel account. So boom, once you import that, I'm not going to do that since I already have it imported. You are going to want to just go back here, and then let's go ahead and create or go with the front end, which is going to be your funnel. So this is one of the funnels that you're going to get. Right now, this is just a basic template. And so you're going to want to set it up as it could be whatever type of title you want. I talk about AI ChatGPT, so this is the title that I use, but you could be in any niche, choose whichever one you want. And then right here, you're going to want some type of long form video that's either like 7 to 10 minutes, explaining and going a little bit more in depth on whatever tool or whatever like product that you are promoting, because a lot of the people that are going to be coming to this funnel are going to be coming from your short form content. And there's just not enough time and information in that short form content to really intrigue someone to give them their information, or in this case, their name and email. So once they do that, once they get on to your email list, then they'll get taken into an email automation. And that takes us to the second part of our backend software of GoHighLevel, which is automations. Now, you will get access to 2 main automations. One of them is going to be the new email opt-in. Well, you'll have access to a 60-day workflow of a bunch of emails, but you also get access to another email automation, which I like because it's shorter and it provides a little bit more urgency. So if you're just starting off, I would suggest using this one, but also there is another one as well. But let's go ahead and just talk for a quick second. But let's go ahead and go to the new email opt-in, and let's take, for example, let's just go to this email right here. So as you can see in the email, there is a hyperlink right here. And what this is your affiliate link or whatever link product tool that you're promoting. When you click on it though, you see how it says custom value. This is here because when people import my snapshot, there would just be my affiliate link in there. And you would have to go through every email and import your affiliate link manually. But since there's a little custom value thing right here, all we have to do to set this up is just go to settings. We're going to go down to custom values, and then you're going to just hit new custom value, type in whatever you want. So affiliate link, put in the value, which is going to be whatever tool or affiliate link that you're using. And then you're going to hit create. I am not going to do that because I already have my affiliate link right here. So boom, that is all set up. Now let's go back to the digital playbook, and we are going to step 5, which is going to be using short form content. So right here, you'll see probably 100 to 200 short form content ideas that are proven to work. So what has happened is you see these over here. These are Instagram accounts that have made already proven to work reels, as you can see from the comments and the likes. Replicated that. So now you can just go in, download, and directly start uploading them into your social media accounts. We've done this because a lot of people's problem is they don't want to get on camera, or it just takes a lot of time to start creating content. So hopefully this is going to take that learning curve, help you be able to just get consistent and start posting content. But before you're able to start scheduling out your content, you're going to want to pick a tool that you want to start promoting. Now, the ones up here, top picks, are the ones that I prefer and I've promoted in the past. I've promoted some of these tools as well, like different AI writing tools, video tools, but all these tools have some sort of affiliate program. Now, for the most part, let's just take GoHighLevel for an example. To get to those affiliate programs, all you got to do is just scroll down to the bottom and you will see something where it says affiliate program, boom, become an affiliate, sign up, and you will get a link that looks exactly like this. So when you're creating different types of content, this is the link that you're going to be pointing people towards. So let's go back to, we don't need this. Let's go back to your dashboard and let's go to marketing. So this is where you are able to schedule out your your content in what's called a social planner. So steps that you need to take is you don't need to go to feedback. You just go to settings, then you want to connect your social media accounts. I have more. You don't need that. I would just start with Instagram and Facebook. Once you connect your accounts, then you can start uploading the short form of content into the accounts. So boom, pick whichever one you want. You want some type of thing. Comment AI if you want my checklist. Now, some people don't know or they don't know a free resource that they can start promoting. Just take my checklist. All you got to do is just hit file, make a copy, and then you can take the checklist. And this is an amazing resource that people want. So just do that if you're having trouble figuring out what you want to promote. It's a great way to build your email list. So going back to this, boom, then you'll go to whatever videos, and this is where your, this is where your videos from the short form content section will be downloaded. Boom, just click that. Reel, boom, hit post. I'm not going to do that, but in a nutshell, that is a pretty simplified way of how to get started. Now, to get started, just go to Digital Playbook and you'll be able to get access to this free checklist. And all you need to do is just get this free trial, kickoff call. There's always a course, import the snapshot, and boom. Really, it's not that hard. It's pretty easy, but what's hard is taking action. So if it's just making one video a day, one video a week, just take some action and everything will start falling into place. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you in the next one, AI pros.